and their correction. Myopia. Myopia is also known as nearsightedness. A person with myopia can see nearby objects clearly but cannot see distant objects distinctly. In a myopic eye, the image of a distant object is formed in front of the retina and not at the retina itself. This defect may arise due to excessive curvature of the eye lens or elongation of the eyeball. This defect can be corrected by using a concave lens of suitable power. A concave lens of suitable power brings the image back onto the retina, and thus the defect is corrected. The person has to keep a reading material much beyond to 25 cm from the eye for comfortable reading. This is because the light rays from a close-by object are focused at a point behind the retina. This defect arises either because the focal length of the eye lens is too long or the eyeball has become too small. This defect can be corrected by using a convex lens of appropriate power. Eyeglasses with converging lenses provide the additional focusing power required for forming the image on the retina.